You got it on?
Yeah. What do you think, Pitt?
I'm helping you.
We are sick of the green, blue paneling, but to take it down, unfortunately, we have to remove the window trim, but we're gonna try to preserve it, paint it white, at least for this room. So I can't get behind the baseboard, so I'm gonna get this back behind it. Let's cut the power. Alright, it's dead for sure. We got the upper kitchen cabinets off. We are busy in the back bedroom, getting all the old baseboards off. It's so beautiful though, I do not want to part with them. We sold the kitchen cabinets on Facebook Marketplace. They're getting picked up at 2. We got the uppers disassembled. Now it's time to take apart the lowers, and we got to deal with some really old plumbing lines. Water. We were prepared for a disaster and it didn't come. All right, that's one side. No, absolutely not. Okay, right, left. Cabinets are down, and I sold them on Facebook Marketplace, and they are just awaiting the pickup.
That's awesome.
Where you do it at? What town?
All over. Here's one we're doing now.
I would love to see it.
And I want to know, where do you want to put these at? In a house? In one of your places?
Come on, girl.
Here's the last piece.
He wants you to really impress him. How does he tie this piece of cabinet?
Okay. Let's see where you got it hooked. Looks sturdy to me.
What about that? Look good.
Looks good. We are getting so much accomplished. Officially, all the drop ceilings are out. We have peeled a lot of the paneling, the trim work, and we're just getting rid of a lot of the trash. We're ready for drywall in there. We've got all the trim work off in the back bedroom. The kitchen cabinets have been sold. The refrigerator has been sold. We're trying to plan our new layout, drawing out what we want to do. been super busy in the basement. We have found the problem and we are getting ready to brace everything back up so the floor won't droop. And the ceiling's officially gone and it's time to clean up. What is happening in our basement?